Hello everyone and welcome back to Arab English podcast. Today I want to talk about a very common problem among English learners. You can understand English, you can watch English videos, you can read English, you can understand grammar lessons. You may know hundreds or even thousands of English words. But when someone suddenly speaks to you in English, you don't know what to say. Your mind goes blank. You start thinking, you start translating, you worry about grammar, and sometimes you simply say, "Sorry, my English is not good." Have you ever experienced this? If yes, don't worry. There is nothing wrong with you. You are not bad at time. You are not bad at English. The real problem is usually very simple. You understand English, but you don't practice using it enough. And today I am going to explain why this happens and what you can do about it. Let's begin. Understanding English is not the same as speaking English. The first thing you need to understand is this: understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. When you read English, you have time. You can read the sentence again. You can think about the meaning. When you listen, you are training your brain to understand English. But speaking is different. When someone asks you a question, you have to create an answer yourself. You need to choose the words, you need to make a sentence, and you need to say it quickly. For example, someone asks, "What did you do yesterday?" You understand the question, but now you need to answer. You may want to say, "Yesterday I went to the market, I bought some food, and then I came home." You know all these words, but suddenly you cannot remember them. Why? Because you know the words, but you have not practiced using them enough. This is completely normal. Speaking is a skill, and skill become stronger through practice. Stop only collecting English. Many learners spend a lot of time collecting English. They learn new words, they study grammar, they watch videos, they save vocabulary list. But they don't use the English they learn. Imagine you learn the word improve. You learn that it means to become better, good. But now use it. Say, "I want to improve my English. I want to improve my speaking. My English is improving. I practice every day to improve." Now the word becomes useful. You are not just remembering the meaning, you are learning how to use the word. So remember, don't only learn more English, use the English you already know. Sometimes five useful words used many times are better than 50 words you never use. Stop translating everything. Another big problem is translating in your head. Someone's ask, "What are you doing?" Your brain first think is your own language. Then it translates the answer into English. This takes time and sometimes you become confused. Instead, try to consonant English directly with meaning. When you hear "good morning," just understand it. When someone says "come here," understand the meaning. When someone says, "Give me a minute," understand the situation. You don't need to translate every sentence. This takes practice, but slowly your brain will become faster. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Grammar is important, but grammar should not stop you from speaking. Many learners think I will speak when my grammar is perfect, but that day may never come. You learn grammar by studying, but you also improve grammar through using English. If you make a mistake, don't stop. For example, you may say, "Yesterday I go to the market." The correct sentence is, "Yesterday I went to the market." That's okay. You made a mistake. Now you know the correct form. Say it again. "Yesterday I went to the market." Then continue. Don't speed the whole conversation thinking about one mistake. Speak first, learn from your mistakes, speak again. Use simple English. You don't need difficult English to communicate. Many learners try to sound advanced, but simple English is powerful. Instead of saying, "I would like to express my sincere appreciation for your sentence," you can simply say "Thank you for your help" instead of "I am extremely excited due to my professional responsibility." You can say "I am really tried. Work was busy." Simple, natural, easy to remember. The goal is not to impress people with difficult words. The goal is to communicate clearly. Learn complete sentence. Don't learn only individual words. Learn useful sentence. For example, don't only learn discussion. Learn "I need to make a discussion." Don't only learn busy. "I have been really busy lately." Don't only learn idea, learn "That's a good idea." And don't only learn think, learn "Let me think about it." When you learn completely sentence, your brain start remembering useful patterns. Then when you need them, they come faster. This is one reason natural conversation are so useful. You hear real expression, you repeat them, and eventually you start using them yourself. Listen and repeat. If you want to speak better English, you also need to listen. Listen to English every day. Listen to short conversations. Listen to podcast. Listen to simple English videos. And don't just listen. Repeat. For example, "That sounds good." "That sounds good." Again, "That sounds good." Try to copy the punctuation and rhythm. That is called shadowing. You listen to a sentence and repeat it. It helps you practice your ears and your mouth and your speaking speed. You don't need to practice for hours. Even 10 or 20 minutes every day can be useful if you stay consistent. Talk to yourself in English. You can also practice speaking alone. You don't always need a speaking partner. Talk about what you are doing. For example, "I am making breakfast." "I am going to the market." "I need to buy some food." "The weather is nice today." "I am waiting for the bus." You can also talk about your day. Say, "Today I woke up at 7, I had breakfast, then I studied English. In the afternoon I went outside. In the evening I watched a movie. These sentences are simple, but this is real speaking practice. And if you do it every day, you will slowly become more comfortable. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Now let's talk about fear. Many people don't speak English because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what will people think about me? What if I say something wrong? What if they laugh? But remember something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls, then gets up, then tries again. Nobody expects the child to walk perfectly. On the first day, English is the same. You will make mistakes, you will forget words, you will sometimes say the wrong thing. That's okay. Correct yourself, learn, and keep speaking. The biggest mistake is not making a grammar mistake. The biggest mistake is being too afraid to speak. A simple 20 minutes practice. Now, let me give you a very simple daily routine. You can practice for only 20 minutes. First, spend 5 minutes listening. Listen to a short English conversation. Second, speed 5 minutes repeating. Choose useful sentence and repeat them out loud. Third, spend 5 minutes speaking. Talk about yourself. For example, my name is, I live in, I am learning English because, my goal is, I want to improve my English. Finally, spend 5 minutes thinking in English. Look around you and describe what you see. The door is open. My phone is on the table. The room is clean. I am sitting on a chair. That's it. 20 minutes. You don't need to study for 5 hours. You need to practice consistency. One more challenge for you. After this video, I want to do one simple exercise. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Then talk about yourself in English. You can start like this. Hello, my name is, I live in, I am learning English because sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. But I am going to keep practicing. I know I can improve. Keep talking. Don't stop every time you make a mistake. If you forget a word, use an easier word. If you make a mistake, continue. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is to keep speaking. Final message. So, why do you understand English but can't speak it? The answer is simple. You may have learned a lot of English, but you haven't used it enough. You don't need to know every English word. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect accent. You need practice, listening, repeat, speaking, make mistakes, learn, and speak again. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start with the English you already know. Maybe today you can speak for 1 minute. That's okay. Next week, maybe 3 minutes. After a month, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Small progress is still progress. And please don't compare yourself with someone who has been speaking English for many years. Compare yourself with yourself. Ask, am I better than I was last month? Can I understand more? Can I speak more? Can I answer question faster? If the answer is yes, you are improving. So don't give up. Don't be afraid of mistake. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Take 20 minutes listening, repeat, speak, and do it again tomorrow. One day you will answer an English question without translating. You will speak without thinking about every word, and you will suddenly realize, wait, I can actually speak English. That moment will come, but you have to keep practicing. You need it does. Thank you so much for watching the Raw English podcast. If you found this lesson useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple English lessons, speaking practice, natural conversation, and self improvement. And tell me tell me in our comments, what is the biggest problem you have when speak English. It is vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, fear, or translating in your head. Write your answer in the comments. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep improving, and most importantly, don't give up on yourself. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep learning English with Rav English Podcast.